My name is Desmond Danyo, and today I'm going to be taking you through CSS combinators and how they work. So, CSS combinators shows the relationship between selectors and how selection should be done within an HTML document. So, without wasting my time, we have four different types of CSS combinators. And the first one we're going to be looking at is the descendant combinator. So with this sample code over here, div with a paragraph tag, paragraph 1, and then span paragraph 2, this that's what is giving us over here, paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. So I'm going to show you how we use the descendant combinator to style or to do the selection for this. So with this one, I'm going to go div p, then we say color, blue. So with the descendant combinator, it is used to select or style any element that is within a parent element. So over here, as we can see, the paragraph 1 span, paragraph 2, they are all within the parent element of div, or the ancestral element of div. So that it is going to be used to style both paragraph 1 and paragraph 2 in this section, since it is selecting p tag. So if I run this code, this is how it's going to be looking like. There, this is how it is going to be looking at. Both of them are in blue colors. So that is how the descendant combinator works. And the next one we are going to be looking at is the child combinator. The child combinator is actually used to select or style the direct what child or descendant of the ancestral element. So over here you can see that the direct child of this ancestral element, which is div, is this paragraph tag p, paragraph 1, which is the direct one to this parent element div. So to start that one, we use the greater than sign in styling that one. So let's go to our CSS style, then go and style that one. So that one goes like div, then we bring our greater than sign, then the p tag, then in styling it, let's give it size font size, let's say 50 px. So with this, we will see that when we go live, the paragraph 1 is going to be increased. The font size of paragraph 1 will be increased. So this is how it is going to be looking like. There we see paragraph 1 has been increased using the child combinator, since it targets the exact or direct element after the parent element. So the next one combinator you're going to be looking at is the adjacent sibling combinator. That one targets element which follows an element, which is what? An element following like two, let's say maybe we have two elements like this, maybe paragraph 1, and what if what the paragraph 2 was following the paragraph 1 directly, you get. So let me give a sample code for you to see. So let's say section. Then we have h1 then title. Over here we have intro. Sorry. Intro. Then our next one, h2. h2 we have subtitle. Then our next one we have body. Here, so the next one which I'm going to be looking at, the adjacent sibling combinator. To look at how that one works, that one uses the plus sign to style its element. So with that one, I'm going to say what, h1 then plus p. So let's start. Let's give it, sorry, before we style it, let's go live and see how. Okay, down you can see title, intro, subtitle, then body. So with the styling, let's say color, let's say blue violet, like this. Then let's see how it looks like. Good, exactly, this is how it's going to look like. So you see, it's the sub sibling combinate adjacent sibling combinator. It selects the intro, which is what, the one following the title, which is for h1 directly. So the last one I'm going to be looking at is the general sibling combinator, and that's how, using the same code, that one selects every sibling or pre-tagged element which falls within the main element, which is what, the section, or the parent element, which is the what, section side. So that one uses the the sign, which is like zigzag. So let me show you how we're going to style that one too. So let's say h1 then the sign, then p, then p, then we style it saying font size 20 px there. So we come back and look at how it looks like. Good, this is it. As you can see, the font size of the intro and the body has been increased. That is how the general sibling combinator works. it selects all the elements which are what within the section of elements. Thank you and see you next time.